Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to scan a document on your iPhone and send it by email. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write your comments. Let's get started. The easiest way is to use the Notaki app. This app is available on all iPhone devices. If you don't have it on your desktop, like me, you can easily find it by swiping down on the screen. Then you'll get this search box where you type in the word Notaki. The application will appear at the top and you open it. Then, to create a new Notaki at the bottom, you click on this sign. Next, to scan your documents, you click on the camera sign. Then we select the Scan Document function. Now I will show you how you can scan your documents. To do this, you take the document, raise the phone so that the document is fully visible on the screen. Then the phone will automatically scan it. As you can see, it's scanned. Let's scan another document with you. And we're going to put the phone down and pick it up. And the document is scanned. Then, to send it, we press Save. Here we see both of our documents. To share them by email, we need to click on the Share button at the top. Next, we select Email. It will probably take a while for it to load, literally 10 seconds in the past, and we can see that we have our documents loaded to email. Now all we have to do is write who we want to send them to. And then click on this arrow. And that way you can share your scanned documents. This is the easy way you can scan documents on your iPhone and also send them by email. Hope this video was useful for you. Subscribe to the channel, comment, and like. See you later.